The stranger in the static. Late one night, Liam settled into his couch to unwind, flipping through channels on his old TV. Suddenly, the screen froze on static, and a faint whisper echoed through the room. Confused, Liam tried to turn the TV off, but it wouldn't budge. The whispers grew louder, forming words. "Don't look behind you." His breath hedged. Against every instinct, Liam glanced at the reflection in the dark screen. Behind him stood a figure, shadowy, featureless, and still. The lights flickered violently. When they steadied, the room was empty. The figure was gone, except for its handprint pressed against the static-filled screen. Like, share, and follow for more spine-chilling stories.